Before we begin, this isn't a tutorial, a product review, or a panic. It's a reflection, a confrontation, and maybe a reminder of who we still are. First, we automated muscle, then memory, then language, and now we're left staring at a mirror, because what's left is the part no one taught us how to carry. This video isn't about fearing AI, it's about facing ourselves. In a world where machines do the hard things, what are we supposed to do now? We've always built tools to escape difficulty. First, to survive, then to simplify, now to avoid. We're not just delegating work, we're offloading ownership. And if you're not the one doing the hard part, can you still claim the reward? This isn't new, but it's accelerating. The more friction we remove, the more lost we seem to feel. Convenience is addictive, but sometimes what we call progress is just escaping process. The hard stuff wasn't just hard, it was how we learned who we are. Machines don't grow. They upgrade, humans don't upgrade. We evolve, slowly, painfully, meaningfully. Growth isn't fast or optimized. It's messy, repetitive, uncertain. It's human. We used to say, that's too hard, give it to the expert. Now we say, that's too hard, give it to the algorithm. And every time we do, we lose a little muscle, not just in our minds, but in our character. Because the hard way, that's often the only real way. We built an education system for certainty, standardized, quantifiable, predictable, and then we entered a world where nothing is. We were trained to answer, now we must unlearn and begin asking. You can Google answers, but only you can confront a question that shakes you. Attention is no longer stolen, it's surrendered, one swipe at a time. Even our humanity is now being performed by code, so where do we draw the line? Maybe the line isn't between human and machine, maybe it's between real and rehearsed. The struggle is the soul of it, and if you skip the struggle, you miss the meaning. We're drowning in takes, but starving for reflection. What do you believe that no algorithm could generate? What AI can't do is sit with the silence or walk with the question. This is the new hard stuff: ethics, ambiguity, intuition, self-awareness. Even our emotional labor is being outsourced, but healing requires risk, and risk requires trust. What we give away for efficiency, we often lose in intimacy. Memory without context is data. Experience without reflection is noise. And reflection, that's yours. That's sacred. We're more connected than ever, but rarely present, because presence is hard. But in this age, maybe presence is rebellion. What's left for us isn't what's profitable, it's what's profound. Maybe the future of learning isn't knowing everything, it's daring to know yourself. The machine can mimic your thoughts, but not your hunger, not your heartbreak, not your hope. The most important questions will never be crowdsourced. You have to meet them alone. So what's left? Awareness, integrity, imagination, courage. That is the new hard stuff. The machines can answer, but you must become the one who asks. It's not just what you know, it's who you become in the process of learning. So the question is no longer, what can AI do? The real question is, what will you choose to do that no machine ever could? The soul of the work is still ours. Maybe the hardest thing left is to remember we were never machines. Lead smarter, work better, stay human. It's time to rethink everything. Please like and subscribe, and follow me at ThinkLab on Instagram to get the best AI tools for educators.